Welcome viewers, today I'm going to show you how to download File Scavenger, a powerful data recovery software. Follow along step by step and you would have it up and running in no time. Open your web browser. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Visit File Scavenger website by typing www.filescavenger.com. But I realized that File Scavenger is selling their website, so we have to use a different website. So you can type www.quitech.com. Then you hit enter. Alright, here we go. We have the QuickTech Consulting Corporation. If you come to this download site, we have File Scavenger here. Then you click File Scavenger. Download for Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. We have versions 6.1, version 6.1. This is 32-bit, this is 64-bit. So you have to know your operating system. If your operating system is 64-bit, then you download the 64-bit one. If your operating system is 32-bit, then you download the 32-bit one. Alright, so now you click on download to download the software. I'm using IDM, so the IDM will do the download for me. Then start download. If you don't have IDM to the web browser download will download it automatically for you. That's no problem at all. So you have to wait for it to finish downloading. 2 minutes left. One minute 22 seconds left. Viewers, you have to note that the File Scavenger software is not for free. When you come to the website, the QuickTech website, we have download here. This download will give you the demo version where you will not be able to recover all your lost files. There will be a limit up to the size that you can recover. But when you purchase here, you will be able to recover, have full access to the software and recover all your lost files. So let's click on purchase and see. Purchase here, we have File Scavenger, we have $64. We have the premium edition is $109, and then the professional edition is $219. So whichever you like, then you go for it. If you don't have the means to purchase it too, then you try the trial version. For this tutorial, I'm using the trial version, but I have the bought one, and that is what I use. So I use the professional edition for my work. So as I said, I use version 3.2 and I bought it. I paid for it in dollars, so I have the licensed version. So let's go to license and check. So if you didn't pay for it, you use the demo. But if you pay for it, you either get a personal use license or the professional license. I paid for it, so I have the professional license here. Technical name, technician's name, company name, license key, everything is here up to date. So you can either buy it or you use the demo one. The ball is in your court. The download is completed now, so open folder. Okay, we have the software here. This is the File Scavenger, so you double click on it to install it. install File Scavenger on this computer. You click OK. This will install the File Scavenger 6.1 on your computer. Follow the steps and click OK and confirm. I accept the agreement. Click I accept the agreement and click next. Next. Install. Launch File Scavenger, then finish. The software is launching now. So you have to wait for the software to open. So after installing the software, you have the interface like this. If you want to check if this is a demo version or a registered version, you come to license, you drop it down. We have demo. There you go. We have license. This is when you buy it. And then we have a professional version. As I showed you, depending on the amount you want to pay, you are willing to pay for the software. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the tutorial. I did a full video on how to use this software, File Scavenger, to recover your lot files. This video is about how to download or where to get a File Scavenger software to download. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and installed File Scavenger. Now you can recover lost or deleted files with ease. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. There will be another video on another type of software that is equally good as File Scavenger that you can use to recover your lot files. So ladies and gentlemen, subscribe and tick the bell so that anytime I bring out that video, you will be the first person to receive it. See you.